Moving sale. Good. Oh, there's that old sewing machine. That's a good sign. Hi.
Make a friend?
I didn't see him. I just opened the door and he was like right there. Like he almost walked right into the truck. That's why he just like, oops, hi. Yeah, look at that sign. That's great.
That is a big one.
Yeah. Yeah, $20.
$20?
Yeah. Oh, look at that little guy. Swings out. Yeah, that's these.
Yeah, we'll grab that.
Yeah. Hi. We'll we're just gonna look around more, but we'll take this. Okay.
Look at this coffee table.
Oh.
It's nice.
Somebody. Yeah, that's. Oh, this is cool.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Like a planter's
Metal.
box.
Yeah. It's really heavy. Here, you carry it. Then you'll know what it's like to carry the heavy stuff.
Please.
Oh, somebody painted this to match. That's nice. Yeah, this matches the table.
Oh yeah,
Somebody
that's
did.
right. It totally does.
Yeah.
You like my work?
Yeah, it's nice. It looks good. Oh, look at this big old.
The original Google.
Yeah, isn't it though? That's funny.
Oh yeah, Google 1.0.
Yeah, when the internet goes down, there you go.
Need that, a set of encyclopedias, and you're good.
I wonder if modern children even know how to use one. How much are you asking for this?
Complete.
Yeah.
So that's how you work. There's all different sections. You have to collect them all.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a mail order type book.
Neat. We'll think about that.
Okay.
You're the money guy, so.
It's nice. She likes that teal color. She has a few things that are that color.
Oh, yeah.
Some more there and then there.
Yeah.
Harley Davidson pipe.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Goes
On the window. Desk is kind of cute.
Well, I wondered about you reselling it. Maybe
Yeah,
a quick coat.
looks like it's a little rough. See how there's a nail hole? Like that
Yeah.
fronts have been nailed on again already. So it's like may have had too hard of a life. And they're just plywood.
It is. Yeah, it's just plywood.
So no.
That's the whole main thing. We were gonna. She was gonna work on it. We never did. So
I have many things like that where it's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get to that, and then
yeah, we're
Nope.
moving into an apartment. So
oh well, there you go. Yeah, it won't be much
$5 you
painting.
can take it.
$5. I don't know. I mean, the price is good,
Can't lose on that.
but I just don't.
We don't need it.
No, I don't think so. It's a good price, but
What are you guys asking for that?
That's a heavy unit. It's a workout and a half.
It is. I've been carrying it around for 10 minutes. Well, I could also give my arms a break.
It is.
$10?
about 10 for that in the book. Well, come back at me then.
You gotta say, come at me, bro.
Bro, sorry. Oh, 15 for the pair.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so 35 altogether. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Guys, no garage sale here next year, I take it?
Yeah.
And buy these in the Dutch,
True.
like he's from Holland.
Oh,
These are the actual beer size mugs. This is what they drink from.
really? What's the percentage in their beer?
What's the percentage in your beer? What's your alcohol percentage in beer over there? It's growth.
Oh, I'm just wondering because the glasses are so tiny that.
This is the beer glass.
Yeah. Look at that.
Well, that's not enough.
Yeah. Boy, you'd have to get your exercise going to get more, hey?
Okay, so we're gonna load this stuff and then
Do you think you can carry that with one hand?
that?
Yeah. Is the machine in it? Nope. Yeah,
Okay.
you can. We're just discussing if we can carry it with one hand, but the machine's not in it, so. Oh no, we'll be fine.
Back is bad.
Oh, we gotta get it even here. There. I think we're good. Thank you so much, though. Have a good
I just don't
day.
want to, if it tips, I can't.
No, it won't. It's perfect. No machine. There's a car coming.